Hello everyone! Plan to make your living room look fancy by adding some fancy furniture and decorations. This video has 12 useful tips on how to make your home look glam. Play with the lighting. Lighting is very important for making a sleek and modern glam living room. Its objective is to create the right mood, draw attention to important parts of the room, and improve the look of the whole house. To make a layered lighting plan, mix ambient, task, and accent lighting. By using dimmer switches to change the light levels, you can change the mood as needed during the day. For ambient lighting, recessed ceiling or hanging lights work well. They provide soft, even light that makes a space feel warm and inviting. Add to this with floor or table lamps that have unique patterns. They can be used for lighting and decoration at the same time. Add a touch of glitz with chandeliers or hanging lights that make a statement. These fixtures give off enough light and make a striking center point in your living room. Choose some art and wall decor. Art and wall decor can make a living room sleek and stylish haven. These things give the room charm, style, and good looks. You might want to choose big pieces of art, or pieces that make a statement that will be the center of attention in the living room. Use mirrors, wall statues, or panels with different textures to add depth and interest. Adding these things to your walls will make them look more expensive and start conversations. For a lively look, you could make a gallery wall with a bunch of smaller paintings or photos. Carefully arrange them so that they look good together and improve the look of the room as a whole. Use tufted sofa and furniture. A tufted couch is a great way to add glam and class to your living room. However, a tufted couch isn't always the best choice for looks. You can choose other tufted furniture instead, like a tufted coffee table or a chair. You might be able to get away with these instead of a plush sofa if that's all you care about. Use huge art pieces. The art piece will make a stronger statement if it is on a bigger board or frame. And because a glam living room is all about going big, the best way to decorate in this style is with an art frame or painting that is too big for the room. Putting up a big piece of art on the wall will make the room look expensive since it will make it look like an art gallery. Be bold with an animal print or vintage rug. You could choose an animal print rug if you want to make a strong statement with your pick. People like these rugs because they can add an earthy, dark touch to your decor, but they also go well with a more glam look. Animal prints can be a great addition to your home if you like rustic glam style. A rug with an old-fashioned pattern is another way to give a fancy living room a unique look. A vintage rug will give the room a cozy, country feel for people who like a rustic glam look over a modern, sleek one. If you choose an oriental or damask pattern, it will be easy to match it with other things in the room, making the design look cohesive and nice to look at. Add metallic framed mirrors. Unquestionably, mirrors are the best way to give any room more depth. They're also great for making the living room look more glamorous. A gold frame mirror with an old-fashioned look is the perfect way to add luxury and style to a glam living room. It can make your home feel cozy and classy if you put it on an accent wall or above your fireplace. Hang long curtains. The living room will feel more fancy and expensive if the ceiling is higher. Install window covers as high on the wall as you can, or even from the ceiling, to make it look like the ceiling is higher. This high setting gives the room more depth, which is a design trick that you often see in high-end living rooms. Incorporate luxe materials. A common way for designers to make a room look more fancy is to add a few small decorations made of high-end materials. Put your shiny items on surfaces that stand out, like a coffee table or wall, so they catch your eye as soon as you walk into the room. Add coffee table. Not only are faux fur stools cute, they're also useful for extra sitting when people come over. They can make a living room look better by adding a bit of glitz and charm. Marble surfaces are a must-have for modern and stylish designs because they go so well with modern furniture and decor. A coffee table with a marble top would look great in any living room and make it look more stylish. You could add a touch of class to the table by giving its edges a silver, brass, gold, or chrome finish. To make your living room look glamorous, you need to make some bold choices and mix different textures, lights, and high-end furniture. You can make a beautiful space that feels both cozy and stylish by adjusting the lighting, picking out the right art, and adding plush furniture. Don't be afraid to use high-end materials like marble or metal details to make the look more elegant. Don't forget that the key to a stylish look is to add different things carefully. Do not forget to add your unique touch to make it your own. Your living room should have big pieces like an animal print rug or a chandelier that makes a statement. It should also have a glamorous feel. Subscribe, share, and comment for more useful information about home decor.